Hi everyone, thank you for subscribing and following me. Today I will show you how to do this skirt. Today I use crochet thread number 16 or DMC number 5 and crochet hook 1.5 mm. We start with chain 40. Chain 40 and another 3 chain. We count at 1 double crochet and double crochet back at chain 4 here and 1 double crochet in each stitch. So 1 double crochet in each stitch. You should get 40 double crochet in this row. So for the next row, we will extend 40 to 42. We add 1 double crochet at the first start here and 1 double crochet at the end. So we extend 2 stitch here. So chain 3 and 1 double crochet in same stitch. So we extend to 42 and the rest is 1 double crochet in each stitch, same like previous row. Did you see it properly? Try to get the bed shot for you. So 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the end here, and we do 2 double crochet in the end of this row here. At the last stitch, 2 double crochet. So you should get 42 altogether in this row. And now we join the slip stitch at chain 3. And this stitch, the one that we slip stitch, chain 3, 2 double crochet in same stitch, skip 2 stitch, 3 double crochet in same stitch, keep doing like that until you finish this row. Skip 2 stitch and 3 double crochet in next stitch, in same stitch. And the last one, 1, 2, skip stitch. You can see it nearly reach here. So 3 double crochet in same stitch. And slip stitch a chain 3. And chain 3. We do the next row now. Continue do the same pattern. 3 double crochet in the space. You can see the 1 chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the space and 3 double crochet in the space. So this is the pattern for this row. Continue do until you reach the first start. That we start with chain 3 here. We slip stitch. We do 1 double crochet in the space here and 2 double crochet in the space here, and we count that one 3 chain, add 1 double crochet. So we slip stitch at chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we slip stitch at the space and chain 3, 2 double crochet, so this is just the same pattern, 3 double crochet in the space. We just keep continue doing until you reach the range of the skirt that you like for the Barbie or you do. Keep continue do until you got the range that you like. Continue do until you got the range that you need. So my one is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 part 2 of this row. So 13 row altogether. You can try first. Is that too short or too long? You can take it off, or is that look like that's a good length. When you decide to finish the range here, we just cutting. Where my sister gone? Cutting. And we will do the button in the back here. So pick one stitch here. You can leave it a bit longer so we can sew easily when we collect the end of the yarn. So chain 1 2 3. You can use button to check if it's too big or too small. I bought the small one here, so probably just only 3 or 4 chain. You can try first if fit or not. So my one is a little bit small, so 4 chain should be enough for when you got the length for the button. You just slip stitch in the and slip stitch again and try if it can fit. Too loose or too big. That one looks just right. I have two sides a button, but this one. So when you got the one for the button, the rest of the yarn over here, we use the sewing with needle, so it's more stronger. And now we're gonna, this one quite small, so we will need a small needle. Try first if it's gone through. Yep. So just chain 3 here. Pick one and put the yarn in the needle. Okay, not that hard. Okay, and where are you button? Right. Left the yarn too longer, so we can sewing to make it more stronger, not too loose. can try one time first and try let that go in easy. Yep, look like it easy. So the rest is just to hide the yarn and make it a little bit can we see better. Thank you for subscribing and following me. See you next video.